Hello guys and welcome to my very first video. This is an unboxing video. Enjoy. First box please. Thank you. Let's see what we got. Put this away. We're in the middle of the forest, so I'll remember to take the plastic with me. So let's open it. We got the scope with lots of foam. Don't want to spoil that all over the place. Get it out. Let's get this one out. BBs. Let's put this one away. The scope. Let's open it carefully. Let's see. Let's just wreck. See, put that away. Protection covers. Looks nice. Really nice. Okay, set that away. Here we have some BBs. 0.30. Okay, next box please. Thank you. See. The box says gunfire, but it's actually from Red Beret, so that's, I don't know, maybe. Let's see. Okay, upside down. Okay, the Glock KWA Glock G7. Looks really fresh. Some BBs, don't use those. Just throw them away. I'll pick them up, don't worry. Magazine. Looks really nice. Really nice Glock. I'll be making a video of this one, shooting, and I'm reviewing it. But that will come later. So, really nice. Put this away. Let's see what's more in the box. We don't need this. Some more BBs, Mad Bulls for my Glock. Some cleaning oil. A nice patch, hope you can see it. A free knife, okay. Appreciate it. Some green gas. And last but not least, more green gas. So, next box please. Thank you. Open it. Let's see how they wrap this. It's a little bit windy, so apologies, but we'll continue. Huge bag from Swiss Arms. This is actually for my sniper, and that will be coming up too. And we have a nice belt. Let's just wrap it open. Get this box out of here. See. It's a really nice belt. So, last box, but certainly not last. I already opened this box, so at home I couldn't wait. So I'm excited to show you guys. So first what we have, what you can see is the camo I have chosen is Apparel. So here's a parka. Some trousers with a matching belt, a pouch, here a combat shirt, They came in with patches, but I don't like them. They don't fit me, so feels good. Hydration carrier, so I don't know how much liters it is, but it's nice. A simple t-shirt. We have the boonie. We have some spray paint. I will be painting my sniper rifle. I'll also make a video of that. So, and last is a bag for the poncho. This is really big. That's the poncho. Okay guys, this was it. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I'll be making scope cam videos, airsoft videos, reviews, unboxings and all kind of stuff. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like. Bye guys.